everyone, today I'm showing you how to search for specific filters on Instagram. So, let's dive in. Sometimes, you might have a particular filter in mind for your post. I'll guide you on how to search for it efficiently. Start by launching your Instagram app. From the homepage, swipe to access your camera, bringing you to the story mode. Depending on whether you want the filter for a story or a reel, make your choice at the bottom. Let's first explore the reel option. For reel, tap on effects on the left. This opens a menu with various effects. Look to the top left corner and you'll find a magnifying glass icon. Click on it and search bar appears. Type in what you're looking for. Say it's 4K and select the desired filter. For stories, the process is slightly different. While in story mode, you'd scroll through the filters at the bottom. Keep swiping until you spot the Pros Effect option with a magnifying glass icon. Tap on it to access the effects menu. Scroll through Carousel until you again find the magnifying glass at the top left. Tap on it and then put your desired filter. For instance, type any filter and select your filter. Preview it at the top and tap to enlarge. And see how it will appear on your story. Simple as that, now you have a new way to enhance your Instagram content. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates.